Talk to the wall is the only one listening. Have a bottle on the table. All these ghosts in my kitchen. Phone face down. Cause the truth is I miss you. Scroll your name in my head till the letters start to bruise. I've been sleeping in my hoodie that you ate it on my frame. Cause it still smells like your hair when I'm drowning in the shame. Told my boys that I'm fine, but I'm breaking when it's quiet. Every laugh feels fake, every night a riot. These empty room confessions got me shaking in the dark. I keep talking like you're here while I'm tearing at the scars. I'm too proud to call you, too broken not to try. So I bleed into the silence till your name is all that's left inside. I got dishes in the sink from the night that you walked out. Your cup's still on the counter, like you'll come back any hour. I replay every argument, frame by frame I'm stuck. Could've held you when you cried, but I folded, gave up. Mama said, boy, let it go, but she don't see you in my sleep. I'm awake at 4 a.m. while your laughter plays on repeat. I keep staring at the ceiling like it's gonna write you back. Every tear another secret running down the cracks. These empty room confessions got me shaking in the dark. I keep talking like you're here while I'm tearing at the scars. I'm too proud to call you, too broken not to try. So I bleed into the silence till your name is all that's left inside. If I said I didn't need you, I'd be lying. If I said I wasn't waiting, I'd be lying. I've been praying for a message, for a mercy, for a sign, but it's just my own reflection staring back at me this time. These empty room confessions got me shaking in the dark.